What is up, MMC fam? In this video I'm going to share with you the 3 ways how you can make money with crypto meme coins.
First way we all know is basically just normal trading, which pretty much everyone is doing right now. And I always used to think that like crypto is only about trading and that you can only make money with trading meme coins and stuff. But in this video I want to explain to you the 2 other methods that you can use to create an income. It's B2B and B2C. So B2B is obviously business to business, so you can reach out to devs or marketing companies that specialize in crypto, and you can offer a service. You can create a group, calls channel, promote your service. There's also B2C is more like business to consumer, so the consumer being the trader. So essentially you could create your own coins, and also you could create educational material to sell to your audience. Probably the easiest one to do would be B2B, purely because like it's free to set up a Telegram channel, and you can just set it up. You can create a YouTube channel in the space of an hour, and start creating content basically. And I think in a sense these 2 ways of making money is actually more profitable than the normal trading route, especially if the market's rubbish. You can't really make astronomical gains the same way as you would in a good market. With B2B, you are limited by the amount of people you have following you. So say you have like a massive audience, then you could charge like 10, 14 BNB. I think TravelAd charges like 14 BNB for a call, but it would take you a good year or 2 to build up that audience. But having said that, if you provide good calls and you're accurate, you could get going in the space of 1 or 2 months. And for B2C, like you could easily put together a project, maybe fork a contract, copy a contract, and start doing things like that. The downside to it though is you need volume, and you kind of need funds for marketing as well, unless you already have an audience. So at the end of the day, it all comes down to creating an audience, which I'm going to share with you in my next few videos about how to attract people to your community, how to create a community, how to get people to join your channel, your groups. So that's something worth looking into, because most of the people, even on Twitter, who are like trading NFTs, the people that make the most money, they actually transition into that. They start creating their own brands and their own launches, to be honest. So it's worth looking into that. But I'll make some more videos. If you subscribe, if you like this video, just like it, comment on it, what you want to see next. And cheers. Thanks for watching.